Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add filters to Instagram story on your Android device. To search for filters to add to your IG story, following this step. First step is open your Instagram app. After the open this app, log in your account if you are not logged in. Launch IG, then access the camera by swiping left on your newsfeed. Via the camera screen menu bar, swipe left to get to the browse effect option is the last option. Now this option is browse effect. Tap it to access the effect gallery and choose a filter from the popular ones on a home screen or scroll through and select category at the top. Alternatively, use the magnifying glass at the top right to search for filter. For example, Insta. Find any filter if you want to. Then this filter I using, and then tap to save the filter to your Android device. The bottom. Select the download icon at the bottom right and save the filter to your camera. This arrow icon will change the check mark into the filter is saved. At the bottom of the preview screen, tap the filter name or type try it and select its save filter to your camera. In the top left, press the back arrow to exit the effect gallery. The filter will now is available in your menu. Now this red sun is effect in your gallery, effect gallery.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.